Good day, wizards, and welcome to today's lesson. At the end of this lesson, wizards will know core, mantle, and crust, tectonic plates, plate movements, and volcanoes. The Earth's structure is made up of three layers, which are the crust, mantle, and core. The crust is the solid outer part of the Earth. The mantle is an area of hot, molten rock beneath Earth's crust. The core is at the center of the Earth. The core has two parts, which are the inner and outer core. Earth's crust can be divided into oceanic and continental crust. The ocean floors are mostly made up of oceanic crust, while continental crust makes up the continents. Ocean crust is thinner than continental crust. Oceanic crust is usually less than km thick. Ocean crust is made of heavier rocks which are rich in magnesium and iron. Example, basalt. Continental crust is usually about 30 km thick. It is made up of rocks that are rich in silica, such as granite. About 40% of Earth's surface is made of continental crust. Ocean crust is generally much younger than continental crust because it is continually being created by volcanoes that erupt on the ocean floors. We can compare the structure of Earth to a peach. How the crust moves. Introduction to tectonic plates and plate movements. Tectonic plates. Earth's crust is divided into a number of large slabs, which scientists call tectonic plates. Tectonic plates float on the liquid mantle underneath the Earth's crust. Below is a picture that shows the position of the tectonic plates. Some plates are mostly ocean. Others are mostly land, and others have both land and ocean on them. Now let's look at plate movements. The tectonic plates move very slowly along the edges. These edges are called the plate margins or plate boundaries. Tectonic plates move about the same speed that your fingernails grow. That's almost 3 centimeters a year. In geological time, that's very fast. Scientists think that the heat from the Earth's core causes circular movements in the mantle called convection currents. Scientists believe that convection currents is the mantle slowly move the plates that float on top of the mantle. Heat from the Earth's core creates convection currents in the mantle. Also, close to the Earth's surface, the liquid mantle cools down. 3. The cooler material begins to sink back into the lower parts of the mantle. And lastly, the circular movement in the mantle is a kind of current that moves the plates that float on top of the mantle.